Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is midterm examination paper, part C biology. In the previous video, we have answered for part B chemistry. Then in this video, we are going to answer for part C biology. The first question is glucose breakdown to form pyruvate in mitochondria, yeast cell, muscle cells and cytoplasm. The right option is cytoplasm. Then cerebrum, thinking part. Then medulla, vomiting, increased size of the pupil, detecting smell, walking in a straight line. So that is, it controls vomiting. That is involuntary actions like vomiting, sneezing, coughing, salivation. So why arteries will have thick walls, thick and elastic wall, and veins will have thin and elastic wall. So let us move for arteries. Because to withstand high pressure flow of blood, then veins, because the blood is no longer under pressure. Now let us move for 30th question. Observe the given figure. So ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನ್ಯೂರಾನಿನ ನರ್ವ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ನರ್ವ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ from one neuron to another neuron. Now let us move for 31st question. Mention the importance of thyroxine hormone. Name the deficiency disease caused due to under secretion of thyroxine hormone. So the importance of thyroxine hormone is it regulates metabolism. It regulates metabolism of fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Then what is the deficiency disease caused due to under secretion of thyroxine hormone? It causes a disease called goiter. Next, 32nd question. Draw a neat diagram of nephron and label Bowman's capsule. Next, 33rd question. Explain how independent growth movement is observed in touch-me-not plant. When we touch the leaves of a touch-me-not plant, it closes due to imbalance of water in leaves, that is due to turgor pressure. When the water in the leaves gets balanced the leaves will get opened. This movement of leaves is not required for the survival of the plant. Is not required for the survival of the plant. Therefore, the movement of leaves in touch me not plant is independent to its growth. So now let us move for 34th question. So 33rd ಗೆ internal choice question ಇದೆ. A potted plant is kept in a dark room. What can we observe in that plant after 3 to 4 days? List the changes, give reason for this. So let us solve this question, answer for this question now. The plant uses the stored food. The plant uses the stored food in those days. But when it will not get sunlight, it cannot prepare its food, and hence the plant will get dry. So let us move for 34th question. The human heart is designed well to receive more oxygen and gets more energy. Justify this with scientific reason ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. The human heart has 4 chambers which is separated by septum. The oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood will flow separately. This separation of flow of blood will keeps our body temperature constant, and it provides sufficient supply of oxygen. Therefore, in presence of oxygen, glucose breaks down Glucose breaks down and releases more energy in our body. So this is the answer for 34th question. Now let us move for 35th question now. So the 35th question is, draw a neat diagram of human brain and label pons ಇನ್ನೊಂದು cerebellum ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು label ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So now let us move for 36th question. So the heartbeat increases when we suddenly see the snake. Explain the coordination that takes place by the chemicals in our body. So let us solve this question now. When we suddenly see the snake, heartbeat increases. In this situation, adrenal gland secretes a hormone called adrenaline hormone. Into the blood. And regulates blood pressure, heartbeat. These are all involuntary actions. Heartbeat, then breathing rate, and this hormone makes our body to face emergency situations. So this hormone is called emergency hormone. Now let us move for 37th question. List the excretory waste produced by plants. So excretory waste, how it will remove the excretory waste from the plant body through photosynthesis. Oxygen is removed. Through respiration, carbon dioxide is removed. Through old xylem, gums and resins are removed. Through roots, waste is removed. Into the soil. Then by falling off old leaves, waste is removed. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ and closing of stomata. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, explain the function of following enzymes in our digestive tract ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸಲೈವರಿ ಅಮಿಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಸಲೈವರಿ ಅಮಿಲೇಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, it keeps food moist. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, it kills harmful microorganisms. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂರನೇದು, it converts starch into glucose. Then what is the function of second one, pepsin? It helps in digestion of proteins. Then trypsin, it helps in digestion of proteins. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೆರಿಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್? ದ ರಿದಮಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ and relaxation. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the walls of the esophagus for the movement of food is called peristaltic movement. So let us move for the last question. Explain briefly that takes place in plants, that is conversion of light energy into food. So that is the events that takes place during that what we call it as photosynthesis. Absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Then second one, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. Then the last step is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So this is about conversion of sunlight energy into food. So idadmele next second one ge baroಣ. That is suction pressure created due to the transport of materials, that is inorganic materials. So second one is suction pressure. Idana explain ಮಾಡೋಣ. The plant loses water due to due to transpiration, but plant needs water for photosynthesis. For photosynthesis, the leaves will pull water from nearby xylem. That xylem will pull water until it sucks from the soil by the xylem present in roots. So this is what we have to explain here. So now that is by transpiration pull, suction pressure is created. In that one, C question is there. Transport of food to a tissue having low pressure. In leaves, food is prepared in the form of sucrose by using some ATP of energy sucrose will move to companion cells, from companion cells to sieve tube, at the same time water flows from xylem. Now due to osmotic pressure, the food moves from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. That means till it reaches root. So by this we have answered all the questions related to part C biology of midterm examination paper. So still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks for everyone who is supporting my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much.